Good morning, children. I am Vinita Srivastav, class teacher of class 2. Today I am going to teach you English 1, lesson 9, Garden Treasures. Children, on this page you are looking, few pictures are given. These are activities also, we can say. If you have done any of these, you put a tick under the picture. Planted a sapling. Played on a tree swing. Caught a raindrop. Thrown garbage in the park. And climbed a tree. Children, if you have done any of these, you put a tick under the picture. Now turn the page. One day, while playing in a garden, Ravi sees something amazing. What is it? Let's read to find out. Children, this is a very interesting story in which we will know an amazing fact about chameleons. Let's read. It's a bright summer morning. Ravi, a 7-year-old boy, is playing with his friends in a garden. The garden is full of trees and flowering plants. After playing for some time, Ravi gets tired and decides to rest. Children, there was a boy named Ravi. He was playing with his friends in a garden. The garden was full of trees and different kinds of beautiful flowers and plants. After playing for some time, Ravi got tired and he decided to take rest. Next paragraph I am reading. Ravi sits under a mango tree. Suddenly, a ripe mango falls from the tree. He washes the mango with the garden sprinkler and eats it. Wow, the mango is sweet and delicious, he exclaims. Soon, he hears someone talking. Ravi looks around the garden. He is surprised and terrified to see two chameleons talking to each other. Children, when Ravi was taking rest under the mango tree, suddenly a ripe mango fell down from the tree. Ravi put the mango and he washed it and ate it. And he spoke, wow, the mango is sweet and delicious. Children, exclaims means saying something in surprise. He was saying to himself in surprise that wow, the mango is sweet and delicious. Suddenly he heard someone talking. He looked around the garden and he was very surprised and terrified also. Terrified means afraid to see that two chameleons were talking to each other. What they were talking? Let's see on next page. All of you turn the page. See children, these are the chameleons. They are sitting on a tree branch. One is Banjo and another is Max. And they are talking. What they are talking? Let's see. Banjo, I think something is happening to me. What is it, Max? Something is wrong with me. I was grey on Monday and yellow yesterday. Today I am brown. I am worried. I don't know what is wrong with me. No, Max, you are green today. Oh no, what shall I do now? Ha ha, there is nothing wrong with you. We chameleons can change the color of our skin. Children, here the first chameleon was very worried. He said to his friend that something wrong is happening with me. So he was saying, "What happened to you, Max?" Then first one said that I was grey on Monday and yellow yesterday. Now I am brown. What is going on with me? Then another chameleon told to him that, "No, Max, you are green today." Then again he worried too much. Then he asked to him that what I should do. So another chameleon told him that nothing wrong is going with you. We chameleon can change our body color. Children, turn the page. You mean I can change color? Yes, we can change our body color. Nature has made us that way. We change our body color to convey our moods. Children, here we can say that nature has made the chameleons to change their body color according to the situation. Chameleons are the animals that change their body colors. They belong from reptile category of the animals. Ravi is astonished to hear their conversation. He comes to know a new and fascinating fact about chameleons. Ravi was very surprised to hear their conversation, and he came to know a very new knowledge, very fascinating knowledge about chameleons. Soon he sees a swarm of butterflies over a flower bed. Ravi is excited and rushes to watch them. He kneels down to look at them closely as they rest upon the flowers. Children, suddenly Ravi saw a swarm of butterflies. A swarm means large number of butterflies, or we can say a large group of butterflies or any insect. Here Ravi saw a swarm of butterflies flying over a flower bed. Ravi was very excited to see them and he ran after them. He kneeled down to look at them closely as how they are taking rest on the flowers. And he told to himself, "Oh, these butterflies are so beautiful. They have such bright and colorful wings." Here again Ravi was very surprised to see butterflies, and he told to himself that butterflies are very beautiful and they have very bright and colorful wings. Ravi realizes that nature is beautiful and amazing. He decides never to harm any plant or animal. To see these things means chameleons and butterflies, beautiful butterflies. Ravi realized that nature is very beautiful and amazing, and he decided never to harm any plant or animal. Children, it was very interesting story, and we also came to know a very new and amazing fact about chameleons. Children, I have underlined few difficult words. You also underline in your books. In next video, I will make you complete book exercise. Thank you.